about her little baby boy and how much he loves little treats and things like that. And these are some of the best treats that we bring to you here at QVC. Not only are they delicious and they're gooey and they're yummy, but guess what? They're gluten-free, and I forget every single time I bite into one. This is Ethel's Baking. They're 24 scratch-made dessert bars that you're getting today. 8 of each flavor, and you're gonna get a brand new one today. So we're super excited about this. So you're gonna get 8 of them in the lemon crumble. You're gonna get 8 of them in the brand new brownie, which actually has like fudge on the inside, or ganache.
Like a truffle, it's so good.
And then we're gonna bring you, of course, the Pecan Dandies. You have to have those in the mix, otherwise, like, why not, right? And 133675 is your item number. You get them home for a $13.33 easy pay. If you're meeting Jessie Haliva for the very first time, she is the mom with the most.
You're so sweet.
And you're the mindful mom, because the
try.
thing is you really do try and feed your family, you know, what they want. We want the sweets.
I need the sweets.
Yeah.
Just for my mental health even, right?
Yeah.
But also, these are the sweets, right, without the preservatives, with nothing fake, with nothing artificial, made the old-fashioned way, done in layers. Oh, and by the way, gluten-free, and I always say unbelievably gluten-free, because when you taste it, you would never guess. Tender, buttery, that's got the shortbread crust. There's a homemade lemon jam in there. Definitely more sweet than tart. Then look at the top, hand-done crumble, and that yummy sweetness on top, that glaze.
Last year for my holiday party, every single person got Ethel's in their gift bag when they left the party, because it's one of my favorite treats. I know it's one of yours as well. Let's go through the flavors, because you get every one. There's no choice here.
Yeah, well, so that was the lemon, that hand-done crumble. I heard that you love lemon.
I love lemon. It's my favorite flavor. Yeah.
I love lemon as well. But then we have the Pecan Dandy. Now, the Pecan Dandy is what started it all. Think pecan pie in a bar, that yummy shortbread crust, homemade caramel. Look at all of those large toasted southern pecans. This is rich, this is decadent, this is buttery.
It's scratch made, all small batches.
Small batches. Each bar takes over 2.5 hours to make, because it truly is done in layers, made with love. It's a family business. Our founder, she started this. Her name is Jill, and Ethel is grandma. Ethel is Jill's grandma, and she always made the best treats. So now, you know, we're carrying on the tradition. This is the brownie. You've never had a brownie like this.
So wait, we got to bite into this. First of all, so this one that you have is just kind of ambient room temperature. Look at this one. This is the one that I have. It's actually like I think they microwaved it maybe for like 10 seconds or something.
We warmed it up just a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
So amazing, because you know
it's
what?
Like fresh out of the oven.
It starts with a homemade, handmade ganache. The ganache then has to cool. We then add just a little bit of flour, the gluten-free flour, to get it to hold together. And guess what? We add more chocolate. It is as rich and decadent as a brownie could ever get.
Oh my gosh, if you love brownies, you'll go crazy for these. They're like melting in my mouth.
I know, they're so good. Honestly, when I eat a brownie, I only eat a half of one at a time, because they're that rich. Yeah, I mean ganache. That's not how a traditional brownie is. Brownies are usually like a cocoa base. No, this has a handmade ganache that starts it all off, and you taste the difference.
So as you're seeing here on the screen, there's lots of ways that you're going to incorporate this, right, for desserts. Whether it's, you know, with ice cream on their own. Maybe you're making a dessert bar, especially when you get 24 of these. But here's what I want you to know. We're getting limited. If you want them, now's your chance to get them at the sale price. You know, it breaks down to $1.66 per dessert. That's nothing when you're thinking about scratch-made, gluten-free. Let's show everyone all 6 of the containers that they come in.
6 containers. You are getting 6 containers of these delicious treats. And maybe you're saying, wow, that's a lot of bars for me. Guess what? You can throw them in the freezer for up to 6 months. So open what you want to enjoy now. Keep them at room temperature. And the ones that you think you're going to save for later, throw them in the freezer, because you are getting 24 bars, 6 separate containers.
Look at this.
Oh, that's the warmed up one.
Heat these up.
I love them warm.
Oh my gosh. Wait, so how long did we just throw these in the microwave for like 5 seconds?
Yeah, like 10 seconds. I think it was like 10 seconds. And that's all you have to do. You could add the ice cream if you want to. You do not have to. But this is like pecan pie anytime, pie in a bar, and it's all inspired by Grandma Ethel. So our founder, Jill, her Grandma Ethel was always making her the best treats. Jill wanted to carry on that legacy. There is sweet Ethel, and of course, Ethel was always making everything the old-fashioned way, done in layers, made with love, the best local ingredients. Her granddaughter, Jill, is carrying on that tradition, but making it gluten-free for us. And you know what's important about that? It's the fact that we can all enjoy it. Whether you're gluten-free or not, they're just that good.
They're really just great. So we have fewer than 600 remaining. If you want it, $13 and change gets it home. I can't remember again the last time that I've had Ethel's in the show.
I know, and I love this because you're getting all the flavors,
yes,
right?
and the brand new brownie.
The brownie with the ganache.
So remember, you're going to get 8 of the lemon crumble. Lemon crumble is like your favorite lemon bar on steroids, right?
Yeah.
I don't
more
even
sweet
like
than
using
tart.
that term, by the way, but it is like that.
Yeah,
It's like that.
I know, right? Because it's real, it's fresh, it's that homemade jam, that hand-done crumble.
Then we have the brownie, but remember, gluten-free, starts as a ganache. You add just a little bit of like the gluten-free flour.
Yeah, just to kind of hold it together. And we add extra chocolate too, so it starts with the ganache, and then we add even more chocolate at the end.
Oh my gosh! And like even the flakiness on top, that's always so delicious.
The best brownies you've ever had, I am telling you.
And then the Pecan Dandies, which quite frankly, truly are the best pecan dessert that you can find anywhere.
Oh my gosh, we flip out over the Pecan Dandy at our house. I mean, they are just so good. Look at all of those pecans. There's a ton. Homemade caramel, that shortbread crust, buttery, tender, just full of flavor.
So Frankie and Billy are upstairs in the control room, and they're going crazy for these. Just like many of you are at home. If you want these, remember, you're not making a choice today. That's what I think is so cool about Ethel's too.
You get it all.
You get the whole assortment, so there's something for everybody. You cut them in half just like that.
Cut them in half. I love doing that, whether you're hosting or you just want a little bit of something, right? Because sometimes I want, you know, a little bit of the pecan, I want a little bit of the brownie. Or the lemon mix and match.
Wait, okay, so listen.
I have to
these are the warm ones. I just that one that just fell apart. I didn't bite any of these.
Okay, well this is my favorite one, so perfect.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
The one that started it all. That moment, right?
They're so good.
I know.
It's ridiculous, right? And they're gluten-free.
It's like hang on you good, right? It's like, oh.
It's so good. It's buttery, it's melty, it's crunchy. Oh, it's everything.
Everything that you want and more.
Gluten-free.
Yeah.
And you would never know.
Right, it's so good.
Wait, I have to let you know what's going on. Wait, here's what's going on. Here's what's going on. Frankie, tell me. We started with 1,500. We have 400 remaining. Oh my gosh, it's gonna sell out.
Oh, yeah, it is.
If you want it, $13.33 and 133675 is your item number. Okay, here. I want you to see this. I want you to see this right away. So you're gonna get 6 of these containers. There's 4 of the bars in each one of them.
That's right. 4 bars in each container. You're getting 6 containers, 24 bars in total. So enjoy these now. They're good for up to 3 weeks. No preservatives, full of flavor, made in layers.
So 8 of the lemon crumb, 8 of the brownie, 8 of the pecan dandy. By the way, brownie is brand new today. I feel like we need to bring like a brownie cake or something from Ethel's. I mean, that's how good they are.
They're so good.
We are dangerously low. If you want these, now is your chance. Check out of your shopping cart and 133675. That's not going to last the show. Jesse Haliva, I love you.
I love you. Thank you.
All right, so listen.
Save me a new brownie, will ya?
Oh, wait a minute. Bella Brand. Bella Brand. Okay.
Bella Brand. Okay.
So I